I hate the beach. It is nothing but too crowded. Well, Toad, it's not that crowded. Okay. Well, it's okay I play with Unikitty, Puppycorn, Lil'Petey right now. I'm sorry, Toad, but you cannot play with them right now. Wait, why? Why can't I play with them? Well, there's actually a reason for that. Follow me. See, Toad? The reason why you cannot play with Unikitty, Puppycorn, or Lil'Petey right now is because they're relaxing right now and they're enjoying the sun. So you're going to wait till they wake up. Okay. Man, I can't believe I cannot play with them right now. What should I do? Wait a second! I know what to do! I'm gonna scare them using an air horn. Let me go look at my bag. I can't believe I'm about to do this. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Excuse me? Who blasted that and interrupt our naps?
I did it.
Toad, we can't believe you blasted an air horn near us. We're trying to take a nap.
That's it. You're grounded until the SpongeBob movie, Sponge on the Run, comes out.
Get out of our sights now.
Where?
Now that he is gone, we can continue our relaxation. Ah,